vaccination policy is economic policy, and that the best possible use of resources at this point in time is to try to give a fair shot at vaccination to all people in the world. So in the World Economic Outlook, the research department of the IMF has quantified that a faster rollout of vaccination, which you can interpret as a successful coordination campaign at the global level, could generate $9 trillion in additional economic activity accumulated up to 2025. And if you focus on tax revenues alone, in advanced economies alone, the additional revenues would be in the order of magnitude of $1 trillion. Clearly, if you take into account that, according to some estimates, vaccination of one person costs about $30, you actually realize that the amounts involved make an effort at global vaccination probably the highest return global public investment project ever. If you concentrate on low-income developing countries, you see that despite quite substantial differences across countries, many of those face situations of debt vulnerabilities, even debt distress, and have faced financing constraints even in 2020. These countries need support from the global community, from the international community,